Shh! Did you hear that?
There it is again.
Let's find out. Who made that sound?
I heard a giggle near the tree. It wasn't you, or was it me? It made a hee-hee kind of cheer. But who made that sound so near? Who made that sound? Let's look around. A wiggle, a giggle, a clap on the ground. Was it monkey? Was it bear? Let's all guess who's hiding there.
Guess who?
It's monkey swinging in the air. He's the one with the cheeky flair. I heard a splash, big and loud, like someone cannonball from a cloud. Water flew and hit my shoe, but who made that splashing plume? Who made that sound? Let's look around. A splash and a dash, that's what we found. Was it hippo? Was it frog? Let's all guess it.
Tell me who you think.
Hippo! Hippo! It's hippo jumping in the stream. She's the queen of the splashy team. A loud squawk flew through the sky. It echoed once, then soared up high. It went squawk above my head. But who made that sound instead? Who made that sound? Let's look around. Flying high or on the ground. Was it parrot? Was it crow? Let's all guess.
Come on, tell me.
Parrot! 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 It's parrot, bright and loud. He's the one who squawks so proud. Then I heard a hiss from behind, a twisty slither, sneaky kind. It gave me chills, I must confess. Who made that sound? Can you guess? Who made that sound? Let's look around. A hiss and a twist, what have we found? Was it snake? Was it cat?
You tell me what it is.
Snake! Snake! We guessed it, just like that. It's snake sliding with a grin. Come on, friends, let's all join in. Hey, 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 hey. Monkey laughs and hippo jumps. Parrot flaps and snake just bumps. They all made sounds, they all had fun. A mystery solved by everyone. Who made that sound? You heard it too. Now we solved it, me and you.
Wiggly Wiggles!
Yay!